This is Kimodo by Nvidia, and this is a text-to-animation model. It's open source, by the way, but what this does is create perfect animations based on text. But not only that, but the animations can be steerable. So meaning you can steer the animations with some tools. Like for example, you can do some key poses and then the animation follows through and generates all the in-betweens. So this one they are calling sparse keyframes. So you can put a very sparse different poses and it will figure it out how to make the rest of the animation. You can also do in-between. What the hell is this? You can also do in-between, what they're calling in-betweening. This one is very sparse, but you can specify, for example, a person walks forward while waving their arms above their head. Environment interaction. So a person walks forward and then turns around and sits down. These examples, they are calling full body constraints with keyframes for all the points of the body. But this one is end factor constraint. Apparently, you have keyframes just for specific parts of the body, for example, hands and feet. The model guess what the rest should do. So here is hands only, so open a door. Here is feet only, do a kick. You also have root constraints. So here you can specify points, so the model can do different things in these different positions. For example, a person is running back and forth from side to side. Probably this is the first position, this is the second, and this is the third. A person is doing a hip hop dance while moving around. You can generate with Kimodo and then deploy into a real robot. This is the G1 from Unit 3, and you can see the movements got deployed into the physical robot, which is insane. Look at this. So it's the exact same movement and it works. So you can try on Hugging Face, so you can click here, or if you are on this page, you can go up. And here, this is the demo. You have a 5-minute demo session, so you can start, or you can actually run this on your computer, but more on that later. Let's try it. I have here person. Let's reduce the number of frames here. I want the person, okay, to walk forward, okay. But then I want another animation where the person do a cartwheel. Oh, I can add it here apparently. So do a cartwheel and then keeps going forward, right? Let's see how that does. So you can select the model. Let's generate. Should be pretty fast and it's done. Apparently. How can I press play? All right. All right. Oh my God. Okay. Let's get a different view. So a person is walking forward and then a perfect cartwheel and then starts walking again. This is insane. I mean, this is a pretty good cartwheel. Not gonna lie. Had some sliding here, but not bad. I think this could be very well deployed into a real robot. Can you run locally? Well, answer is of course, it's open source, but the models itself have a little different licenses depending on the model. So apparently Nvidia open model, so it's a specific license, so it's a little different than open source, than the code itself. The code itself here is Apache 2.0, so you can use for whatever you want. Here it's Nvidia open model, but this one you can't use commercially. I guess I'm using this one on the example. So yes, it permits commercial use, except for this one. But they are saying here, you're gonna need 17 gigabytes of VRAM to run this one. And so if you have a 3090 and above, you're good to go. You can't run on lower end GPUs yet. But I think it's very close that we can. And when we do, I'm gonna do a video about it. The best text to animation yet. Open source from Nvidia. Kimodo. So let me know what you think and see ya.